So this is the entrance to the Ultiamal National Park. So Ultiamal National Park का ये है the entrance, and then I have my two traveling partners here. Very excited. और ये देखिए, this is how the rural areas in Kazakhstan looks like. See, and then yeah, we are heading. So we are taking some photographs. Leave. I'll show you more. Hey, chalo, chalo, chalo. Come. Bye. And so we're heading this way. We will be showing you more about this beautiful national park. Yeah, that's a right on the right. Yeah.
Yes, single.
दोनों भी अपना चेहरा दिखा दो. Smile. Yes, finally.
In Kazakhstan.
I found both of them on the way.
Yeah.
They were lost, but now they're found. Lost and found.
came all the way.
All the way. SDRF rescued them. Both of them. Wow. जमीन खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा. Oh, very smooth road. Have you ever seen a tree? We're about to reach. And this, they say, is the sinking dune. So folks, we are now heading to the Ultiamal National Park. It is 1 hour walk from here. So it's kind of very warm as of now. You can see the sun shining very bright. And let us see how it looks like the national park, the Ultiamal National Park. It's quite interesting that we will have to walk for some time. And then I'll also be showing you the sinking dune. That is called the sinking dune. The sinking dune. Okay. Now I have got my friend Rahman here, a guide, and I've got these two persons on the way. I don't know where they came from. I found them on the way.
Lost and found.
Lost and found. I heard a missing report has been filed, but they are now here in Kazakhstan. The Benga brothers, my traveling partners for Kazakhstan. Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to Kazakhstan. If you need help, contact me.
Okay, please contact Roman, whoever wants to come. I'll be sharing his details in the description. And this is singing dunes. I thought sinking dunes. This is singing dunes. What is singing dunes?
Singing dunes, na bhaijan.
It's, I don't know, it sings. Anybody in the comment section, can you let me know what the name of this reptile is?
It's coming to Roman to us. He knows you, huh? You keep coming.
I know him. What's the name? What's the possible name? Bye, friend. We also have some tourists. I think they had gone there early in the morning and now they're back. It's around 10 a.m. in the morning today. And hi. Oh. Some exercise for the people coming down and some for the people going up.
Hello.
How's it, ma'am?
It's actually was a bit silent, but maybe if you go further, too closer to the river, maybe it will make the sound. Because it was quiet today.
Didn't make any sound today?
No sound.
How long it took you?
Well, it took only half an hour.
Half an hour only. So we're still proceeding. आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं अभी अक्टूबर महीने में डेजर्ट में हम वॉक कर रहे हैं द सिंगिंग ड्यून्स See this और एक के फ्लाई है मेरे ऊपर में ओके ये देखो ये है सी so this is why we had come here to Kazakhstan to experience things that we have never experienced so far in our place. Yeah, so keep on following me. I'll show you more about these sinking dunes. Very interesting. Something that we've not heard of.
Over the top and one on the side.
This is Megaminal with me. He seems to be a bit tired. No, he's okay. He seems to be tired. The one behind me. How are you doing?
Good, good.
We just started. It'll take some time. But let's see who has the more stamina. Okay. Ooh. और दूर करते हैं अभी ठीक है So we are halfway through on the first hike and where is the drone? We got ourselves a drone, so it's always better if you get yourself a drone in Kazakhstan because it has a lot of things to offer, especially the nature. So ये हमारा drone, you can see the distance. ये हजूम कितना 20 मिनट से चला होगा.
No, I think.
And just wave. Keep following us, my friend in Kazakhstan. Our drone. Yes, that's bully there. So just remember to get yourself a drone, or else you can carry your own drone, or they can arrange one for you. Always do that where you are here in Kazakhstan, because it really helps you get more clear videos and pictures. Especially when you have to climb places like this. See? करो हाँ चलते रहो विमान को टाको Still halfway on the first hike. The total distance I'm told is around 3 kilometers. Oh, the weather is getting to us. थोड़ा पसीना निकल रहा है. But thanks to the breeze, to the cold breeze, इतना normally अभी तक. But bit of walking, bit of exercise. This is what you can expect yourself when you are in Kazakhstan, and it's really making us feel better. No? Oh. Yeah. Halfway down. Interestingly, हम लोग पानी लेके आने भूल गया तो कुछ देर बाद प्यास लगने शुरू होगा but we'll have to control ourselves right. Oh चल ही रहा around 3 kilometer stretch का ये dunes है famously known as the sinking dunes. वैसे कोई vibration तो नहीं आ रहे so far, but we just hope that we get lucky. तो दोस्तों थोड़ा दुनिया भी घूमना सीखो तो डेयरिंग करो कि हमेशा अपना ही जगह बैठते रहेगा. बिकॉज आप अगर वेकेशन मनाते हो और बाहर कंट्री देखते हो यू लर्न अ लॉट. इट्स वन ऑफ योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड इट्स नॉट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव ऑल्सो. वी थिंक इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. हम लोग ने जून के महीने में टिकट बुक किया था तो काफ़ी सस्ता से मिला. Around 30,000 to 35,000 per ticket फ्लाइट का। और दिल्ली से यहाँ अलमाटी इट टेक्स ओनली 3 hours to reach, right? 2.5 मैक्सिमम 3 hours लगता है। सो इट्स वेरी नियर बाई, जस्ट हमारा ईटानगर से लेके होलोंगी से लेके दिल्ली का ही डिस्टेंस है ऑलमोस्ट, तो नॉट वेरी फार और रिलेटिवली चीपर, बट एन एक्सपीरियंस इज़ वेरी सरियल। सी, ये आपको कहीं नहीं मिलने वाला, इतना सस्ता में, इतना सामने में। एंड दी मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज़ दैट यहाँ पे वीज़ा ऑन अराइवल है, लाइक थाईलैंड, यहाँ भी वीज़ा फ्री है, वीज़ा ऑन अराइवल इंडियंस के लिए। सो दिस समथिंग आपको प्लान करने का जरूरत, टिकट खरीदो बस पहुँच जाओ, ठीक है, टिकट लो, वीज़ा ऑन अराइवल बस मिल जाता है। दिस इज़ व्हाट कजाकिस्तान इज ऑल अबाउट, स्पेशलिटी ऑफ कजाकिस्तान। और लोग भी हम लोग का जैसा है, खाने पीने में भी कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है, हमारा खाना जैसा ही है सब। तो और दिखाता हूँ, ये अभी नेशनल पार्क ही बोला है, लेकिन यहाँ पे एनिमल्स तो ज़्यादा दिख नहीं रहा है, रेप्टाइल ज़्यादा है। वाइल्ड हॉर्सेस है बोल रहा था, लेकिन वाइल्ड हॉर्सेस दिख नहीं रहा है। अगर लक मिले तो आ जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे सिंगिंग ड्यून्स में आपको कुछ म्यूजिक सुनाई देता है। तो
ड्रोन म्यूजिक,
ये ड्रोन का म्यूजिक है बाय द वे। सो दिस मैसेज इज फॉर माय सियांग वॉरियर्स फुटबॉल क्लब। दिस सियांग वॉरियर्स, we have our first match today, so I am here wishing the Siang Warriors Football Club the very best. Pagyarung, Pagyarung, Siang Warriors, Pagyarung, all the way from Kazakhstan. Pagyarung, Pagyarung, Siang Warriors, Pagyarung. तो मैं कुछ बताता हूँ आपको सिंगिंग इंडियंस के बारे में। जैसे कि यहाँ पे कुछ वाइब्रेशन सा आता है, थोड़ा सा ये जेट का साउंड भी आता है, थोड़ा म्यूजिक का साउंड आता है, यहाँ पे रोडिंग जेट वाला साउंड आता है बोलते हैं यहाँ पे। सी, थोड़ा सा गर्मी है, बट इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्रीज, आपको इतना तकलीफ नहीं होता यहाँ पे। इट्स वेरी सरियल फीलिंग। थोड़ा सा चढ़ाई करना होता है आपको, अराउंड हाफ एन आवर से ज़्यादा का चढ़ाई है। एंड देन जो हमारा जो रीच है, इतना तकलीफ नहीं है, एक्सेप्ट आगे वाले साइड में थोड़ा सा तकलीफ है। So this is about this sinking dunes in the national park here, and we'll be proceeding to next destination. ये जो बसी विलेज से अराउंड हाफ एन आवर का डिस्टेंस है यहाँ पे, अराउंड 44 किलोमीटर्स का। तो यहाँ पे आप लोग आके, लेकिन whenever you come here, make sure that you have your water bottles. हम भूल गए थे वाटर बॉटल्स, but you do not have to litter the place. तो आप वाटर बॉटल्स लेके आइए whenever you come here. और बीच में there is no human settlement. So I think this is what makes this park, national park, very very significant and important as well. यहाँ पे वाइल्ड हॉर्सेस पाया जाता है, but unfortunately we couldn't sight any so far. Maybe it's because of the season. It's October. Maybe in the another season we might see one. So, but you can find lots of reptiles and rodents, birds, eagles, kites, etc. here in this national park, the Singing Dunes. तो आज के लिए हमारा यही है। फिर हम लोग आपको नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन दिखाते हैं इन एंड अराउंड बाशी विलेज। Yeah, you can see the deers. Yeah. So these are the wild deers. वहाँ पे देखो, wow, it's looking, one of them is 2 couples romanticizing. नहीं, 5 है टोटल। is the Arunachali jet. Let him jet. Going down. Oh! Oh! Nice. Oh, नहीं गिरा. Go down. Oh! Oh! Roman.
Slow down, slow down.
Grip, no? It feels. Yeah, in the feet, it feels.
Yes.
Feet na feel karta hai. So this is the specialty of the singing dunes. Urr. Urr. ऐसा आवाज आता है आपका. Oh, nice, huh? That is the roading jet वाला experience. Oh, you feel it in the feet. जो हवा जो दूर से जोर से आता है ना, तो उसका feet के साथ में आपको feel करता है वो. ये जो jet का roading आवाज. ये है. वो भागे जा रहा है और वो भागे जा रहा है. कुछ मिला कि नहीं पता नहीं. क्या मिला है? ये देखो एक नौटंकी साला नौटंकी करके आ रही है. गिरे ये गम पाबो मेरे को ऐसे ना बेसी नौटंकी करी आसे ना एने काय पाबो.
मजा आए तो
Feel करे ना? But you feeling the feet, right?
boom 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 right?
It's the feet that you feel, no?
Yes.
Okay. That's the jet wala feeling.
But when here have a strong wind,
Okay.
you don't need to run. You only stay there and hear the sound.
Okay. Wow. That was quite an experience.
Yes it is.
So this is what makes it special, or else it doesn't feel like that. But it's quite an experience, huh? That's the feel of the jet. Assalamualaikum. Now we are back. और यहाँ मेरा यहाँ का खजाकी रेंजर. So your name, please?
Как зовут вас?
Боря.
Boria.
Бахтвай.
Baktwa Boria. Nice to meet you all the way from Arunachal Pradesh, India. India. And he is the forest guard here.
Yes, it's a forester.
He's a forester here.
Ranger
Лесник.
This is the only one.
Инспектор.
Inspector.
Yeah.
Okay. SP meets inspector, cop to cop. देखो दुनिया में जहाँ भी घूमो फोर्स वाला यूनिफॉर्म वाला मिल जाता है. देखो.
Now he said he go here and check all and clean if you see the trash, take the trash and put in the trash basket.
So no trash here.
Yeah, because he clean this area.
Okay. And wild horses, when does it come?
Он спрашивает, есть здесь дикие лошади?
Дикий лошадь есть, план.
Yes, there have wild horses, but not here. Little after this mountain.
Okay.
Там Джайран.
Would we chance to see one?
Maybe on the way when we go to the Aktau mountains, we can see.
Okay. So it becomes snow during winter.
Бар здесь там.
Here?
In the winter, has snow, but not much because here
Там
very snowy.
возле кордона Кеклик вот это называется.
Да, Кеклик.
Кыргаул. Вот это есть. Там ходит.
Near to
Заяц здесь там.
the checkpoint, have a lot of rabbits.
Rabbits, yeah.
Have a lot of small wild birds.
Wild birds
It's
and
called,
rabbits.
it's called Keklik.
Птица.
কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে? ভাল লাগিছে?
একদম ভাল লাগিছে.
ভাল লাগিছে? অলপ
বঢ়িয়া.
আপুনি দুজন অলপ পুৰা বগা হৈ গ'ল দেই. বগা হৈ গ'ল বেংগীয়া পেৰাডাইছটো.
আৰু অলপ বহিলে বগা হ'ব নেকি?
বগা হৈ যাব, বেছি বগা হৈ যাব.
চব মানে বহিলে ভাল.
ভাল.